Okay guys, my daughter doesn't have any AC. The blower's not working. The AC compressor's coming on. The fan is not working at all at no speed. Let me show you guys exactly what it's doing. Turn it low. Yeah, the compressor comes on. Even with the heat, nothing works. It's super hot out here. No speed. Nothing. Guys, to differentiate the difference between the blower motor being bad and the resistor being bad, 9 times out of 10, when the resistor is bad, you still will get the blower to function. However, it will only function at one speed, mainly high, because its sole job is to reduce or increase the current going to the blower motor, which will allow us to adjust the fan speed via the control knob or a button. And in my case, neither was working, and I knew the blower motor was actually the issue, whether it's the fuse or the blower motor itself, and we're going to check out both. So first thing we're going to do is inspect the fuses. You can test for continuity. Or you can visually inspect them using those pliers. The fuse is good. That fuse is good. before we install it, let's just test it out. Where it's off, press the, oh, we started. Let's, we got AC on. Let's go low. We getting air. We're blowing, guys. Finally, we getting air. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, all that was working. So our resistor is working perfectly. Yep, got ice cold AC now. All right, let's fasten this back up and close the video out. All right, let's test it out, guys. It's a wrap for this one. All right, we're gonna start it up. It's hot out here this afternoon. It's about 12:51. We're at 78 degrees. All right, here we go. Big test. We know it works, but got AC now. AC compressor on. Yeah, it's blowing. I feel it already on low. Ooh, that feels great. Where's my little paper at? Yeah, look at that. Turn it off. Nothing. Now let's turn it on. Hello. We're blowing. Let's go midway. Whoa, that feels great. Let's go high. It's a wrap for this video, guys. Hope you guys found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Terrence, and I'm out.